headed to this residence where there's multiple dogs. The residents had an eviction notice and they were kicked off the property. They left the dogs. We're gonna have our animal control officers take possession of the dogs. How many dogs you got? And they're all in cages?
Yeah. We'll keep this closed in case anybody gets loose. Okay.
What do you mean, in case any get loose? Which one's the most aggressive one?
The one in the yellow.
In the yellow? Yep. Okay, I'll be staying away from the yellow trailer.
These two old ones are sweet.
Oh.
Hi, guys. Hi, how are you?
Smells like somebody's right guard turned left.
You're all right. Quiet. Ramos, you're making him mad.
Oh, I thought I was helping.
There you go. Here, get this guy out here. Come on, girlfriend. Oh, come on. Come on. Yeah, it's horrible. Poor baby. You're all right, puppy.
He's eating them, look. I carry the milk bones with me because we encounter animal calls out here as well. Sometimes it's a bonding thing, feeding the dogs, they entrust in you.
Yeah, as you can see, this is, I mean, she's just in really bad shape. You're all right, sweetie. Got a good look in there of what they were living in. The odor is just unreal. Oh, let's go! We're free! Good girl! Our shelter is a no-kill facility, so their behavior will be assessed and their medical conditions attended to and what have you, and if they have behavioral issues, they'll go out to rescues for rehabilitation. But if they pass their behavioral test, then the entity puts them up for adoption. For these dogs, this might seem like a sad thing, but it's a good day for them. They got good things coming ahead.